In this crisis, the global market has changed, but that's no reason to freak out.
I will give you a different perspective on the crisis we're all living today and give you some tips on how you can use your time proactively and surpass the crisis. Now, let me roll that intro. Let's start with different ways that I have used recently to use my time proactively and really dig deep into what can be done to make money during the crisis while all regular business as usual, it is not an option anymore. So let's dive in. First, I have been planning and actually executing some photo shoots, video shoots like this at home. I'm actually in Medellin with my family, so I just took the opportunity that I'm here with a nice backdrop and the right setup to do these videos and just created a scenario for myself. The second thing that you can do is, as you're doing photo shoots and you're doing video shoots, you can start a video series or a series of tutorials that make sense in an industry, that you're teaching somebody how to train online, or you're helping clients that are going through real estate contracts, you're helping them through that process online. Whatever it may be, you can create a video series. The third thing you can do is to learn how to grow your social media organically, because there is ways that organically you can start growing your following, you can create more engagement and create content. The fourth thing, and the most important thing for me in this time that you can do, is that if you don't have a website, create a website. Improve your landing page if you have one. Make sure that it's nice and fresh with new content or new copy for your viewers, and improve the different listings that you have online. Because if your listing on Google is better, you're going to get better SEO response from it. You need the Yelp if you're a restaurant and you're running different takeout or delivery options. Wherever it may be that your business is listed, improve that listing. Now, the fifth thing that you can do if you create your website and you improve your listings, you can start your e-commerce channel where you can sell assets online like we do. I'm actually starting to sell some of my graphic design templates, some of my filters for videos and photos, and I'm actually selling some of my content online. So start your e-commerce. This is a great way to create revenue passively, or if you're going to be very active on it, actively. The sixth thing that I believe that you should do is to join an affiliate program. This is going to help you to create passive income, which I'm going to talk about later on in a different article, on a different video. But this is also going to help you serve your community with something they may need. Some of them may be looking to start their website themselves, or they may need some assets to create some graphic design or do photography. Whatever it may be, join these programs in order to create passive income and to generate clicks that will, in the long run, create a passive residual income in your business. The sixth, seventh, and last thing that I believe everybody should be doing, and we are doing constantly right now, is understanding the funnels and the different needs that are going to be in the industries after this crisis ends. Because let's be honest, yes, it may take a few months or it may take years to find the cure. We as a society, we will find a way to get out of this. You should use some of these ideas in order to improve or digitize your business and have a better presence and create passive income in some instances, or simply to do things that before you didn't have time to, but now we're all confined to the four walls of our home, and to really give our grain of salt to all this process that is stopping the COVID-19. And you can actually take this time and create more content and have a better presence online. That is what it's all about right now. Now let me show you some ways that we have set different stages around this house to bring you this channel and to give you some ideas on how you can use the space inside of these four walls to create your channel. You can be on your couch doing a podcast for your viewers, straight onto the camera. Now let me show you another way that you can do another stage. And yes, I'm on PJs filming this, enjoying my time and being formal and casual. You can use an organic look like those plants behind me with a nice flat wall, minimalistic, all sweet and fresh for your channel. It is all up to you, and it is not all at night. Let me show you something else. You could record a nice video on your balcony with a nice cup of coffee and listening to the birds. Now, it is not all about video. Check this out. The last option you have is to record a podcast. If you're not comfortable with the camera or in front of the camera, why not use your voice to transmit your ideas? Those are the different stages and feels that you can give your videos in order to create content that's meaningful and that transmits a message that informs people of something, or that it simply has a mood, like the light that I did at the beginning, something somber or something informative and bright. Whatever it is, spice up your home. Finally, I have talked about different strategies for the industries of fitness, real estate, restaurants, and others that I'll be talking about in an article that we publish on the website. So if you want to read a little more detail about all these things that I talked about today, go to our blog at www.360sensomedia.com and subscribe to it, where we put articles that go in depth on everything that I talk about on these videos, and you can inform yourself as the marketing industry evolves of different tools that we're going to do reviews on, and you can keep in touch with us. So until next time, thank you for watching this 360 tutorial. I hope it helps you have a little bit of hope that regardless of the crisis, regardless of all the things that are happening, you can do better in your business and digitize it and help your business survive the crisis. Until next time, Rafael Laurentine here with 360 Senso Media. Espera, si quieres ver estos artículos en español, leer en tu idioma, ve a nuestro website 360sensomedia.com y ahí tenemos todos estos artículos de los que estamos hablando en inglés, siempre los traducimos a español, así que conéctate con nosotros y no dejes de leer nuestros artículos que hablan sobre todo tipo de cosas sobre marketing, negocios y tutoriales de aplicaciones. Te veremos en nuestro website.